go. Hi everyone, I thought I would show you how to maintain the steam machines. Doesn't really matter what steam machine, whether it's a jet steam or jet vac machine, the principles are exactly the same going across all models of machines. So here we have a jet steam Evo. So first we're going to drain out the water that's in the water tank, just in case there was any dirt or rubbish in there. Okay, really important just to drain out the water that may be in the machine. Now, just in case there was any dirt. Now, the most important thing on a machine, on a steam generator, is to descale. Get rid of the water impurities, and that means undoing this nut. So this can only happen when the machine is cold. So normally we suggest weekly. So we suggest weekly to descale the boiler of the machine. Now it might be first thing in the morning before you start using the machine. You do it, whether it's a Monday, a Wednesday or a Friday. It's really easy. On the latest machines, you've just used an 8mm Allen key supply. If it's a nut, just use the pair of pliers and you just open it up like so. Put it in down a drain, whether it's a sink, maybe a shower base, whatever. So we just tip the machine up and empty all the water. Give it a bit of a shake as we go so all the rubbish comes out. Pretty simple. This only takes a couple of minutes to do. So if it's a jet vac machine, it's going to be over a bigger area. So there's going to be more water in the boiler on the bigger jet vac machine. So you just undo the nut of a jet vac machine and drain the boiler out. You also, sometimes you might even tip it up, depending on the model or the design. So that is the main thing to do every week on the machine, without fail. What we're doing is removing the bad water. When water is superheated, all the impurities come out of the water and it scales up. It's like a pasty material that is left behind. That paste, if it continues to get heated up, then bakes on